Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into one of the easiest and most rewarding crops you can grow in your garden, cabbage. This low-maintenance vegetable is perfect for gardeners of all skill levels. Let's get started. Cabbage is a hardy, versatile vegetable that thrives in various climates. It's packed with nutrients and can be used in a variety of dishes, from salads to soups. Choosing the right variety. When choosing cabbage, you have options like green, red, or Savoy. Green cabbage is the most common and versatile, while red cabbage is great for adding color to dishes. Savoy cabbage, with its crinkled leaves, is perfect for cooking. Depending on your climate and what you plan to cook, pick a variety that will work best in your garden. Planting cabbage. Cabbage is a cool season crop, so start seeds indoors 6 to 8 weeks before the last frost, or directly sow them in the garden 2 to 4 weeks before the last frost date. Cabbage prefers rich, well-drained soil, so work in plenty of compost or organic matter before planting. Space the seedlings 18 to 24 inches apart in rows that are about 2 feet apart to give each plant plenty of room to develop a full head. Watering and mulching. Cabbage needs consistent moisture to form solid heads, so make sure to water regularly, especially during dry spells. Mulching around the plants helps retain moisture, keeps the soil temperature stable, and reduces weed growth. Use organic mulch like straw, compost, or shredded leaves. Managing pests and diseases. Cabbage can attract pests like cabbage worms, aphids, and slugs. To protect your plants, consider using row covers to keep insects away. Organic methods like neem oil, diatomaceous earth, or companion planting with marigolds and nasturtiums can also deter pests. Additionally, practice crop rotation and remove any diseased plants to prevent the spread of disease. Harvesting tips. Cabbage is ready to harvest when the heads are firm and feel solid. Depending on the variety, this can take anywhere from 70 to 100 days. Use a sharp knife to cut the head off at the base, leaving a few outer leaves on the stalk. For a continuous harvest, you can also try cutting the head early, which may encourage the plant to produce a smaller, secondary head. Once harvested, cabbage can be stored in a cool, dark place for several weeks, making it a great long-term crop. It can be used in a variety of dishes. Try it fresh in coleslaw, fermented as sauerkraut, or cooked in hearty soups and stews. The possibilities are endless. Cabbage is an easy and rewarding crop that even beginner gardeners can master. With the right care, you'll have a bountiful harvest that will keep your kitchen stocked with this nutritious vegetable. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!